So a big issue in forest management, especially here in the eastern forest biome, is that as our trees, forest canopies have grown up over the past 100 years or so, they of course shade out the forest floor, and you get a decided lack of productivity at the forest floor. And this leaf pack is something that demonstrates that there isn't quite as much productivity down here. So that's often used as an impetus for opening up the canopy a little bit more, letting more sunlight come down to the forest floor, all of which totally fine. I support that. However, I think sometimes we don't appreciate that there is heterogeneity under what looks like a continuous canopy. So here, sure, it's well shaded. There's not much in the undergrowth at all. But I just had to walk over here and find a gap. And now look at this, amazing productivity right at the ground level. So when the trees are allowed to get big enough, eventually they will fall. They will create gaps in the canopy. Sunlight will reach the forest floor. The decaying logs will provide some of that productivity at the ground level. The other thing is, I'll just walk back over here, even without the benefit of a fallen tree from the canopy, so many of our forests have the benefit of topography. So here we have just the fact that the ground slopes down to a beautiful riparian wetland down there. And now you do have a tiered canopy, sunlight reaching the ground. And in this case, we've got some growth of ferns down there. We've got plenty of other smaller trees ready to take over when the big canopy trees are gone. Hello. And so a lot of times we just need more time.